And then nire-report kasi yun and it's being transferred to other agencies. Ang sa akin, I'm looking for pretorial. They have to report it to us, just like before. For example, ang overall savings natin in 20...
Ibig sabihin po, walang report. Pag nalaman ni Madam Inday Sara yan, talagang double standard. Walang report sa kanila, pero sila, hanap na sila ng report galing kay Madam Inday Sara na wala namang ninakaw. Talaga nga naman, hoy, tambaluslos, umayos ka dyan.
20 is 3.5 billion. That's why it's also significant. And then for all those savings, nakalagay dyan kung saan tinransfer sa bawat agency. Pag sinabi mo kasing savings, transfers from each agency na ta-transfer ang savings ng bawat isang ahensya, pupunta ngayon sa overall savings. And then yung overall savings, it's a transfer to.
Wala po silang ganyan. Transfer lahat sa... Saan po yung transfer? Iingin naman yata ng timeout. Kanina may timeout eh.
Madam Speaker,
Timeout na naman.
it can be provided, but they don't have the figures now.
Madam
Kawawa naman. Nawawala yung figures. Nawawala yung mga resibo. Nawawala yung mga listahan. Naku po, Madam President. Ano ba yan? Nagkakalokohan na ba dyan? Tuloy po natin.
Speaker, yun po yung point ko. Bakit nawawala yung report ng overall savings?
Nawawala po yung report ng overall savings. Naku po.
Dapat nakikita po natin yon dito sa Kongreso kasi savings po yan na hindi na po alam ng Kongreso kung saan napupunta. And it's part of our obligation to know where these savings are. Saan nanggaling? Kasi that's where we see how efficient ang